What's going on, guys? I was asked to do a setup demo. So bear with the wind a little bit today, but today we actually have a phone to record on, so we're going to give you a little demo here. Again, that's two Savard Hi Q 8-inch subwoofers running on about 1800 watts at 1 ohm stable. Open this up so you can see. I did not paint the bottom of this box, but there they are. Some beefy freaking units, about 15 pounds a piece. Outstanding product, I believe. I'll give you a little demo here. We're going to give you a little demo here of some Bad Wolves. This box is tuned for 33 hertz, and it does that beautifully. So give her a little listen, guys. We'll turn her up all the way.
Causes silence. Who are we mistaken? But you see, it's not me, it's not my family. In your head, they are fighting with their tanks and their bombs and their bombs and their drones. In your head, they are
Close her up.
taking over. When the violence causes silence, we must be mistaken. It's the same old theme in 2018. In your head, they're still fighting with their tanks and their bombs and their guns and their drones. In your head, they are dying.
Yeah, she gets all right. It is 2.8, so it's not as loud as a 15 would be. What I replaced is a 15. It's not the loudest setup in the world, but it's enough to rattle the windows and sounds pretty good. It incorporates into the setup well, and it doesn't sound like I just added kick. It sounds, part of the sound itself, and if that makes sense. But I'm just real impressed here, and as well I'm fairly impressed by this little guy in here. Does 1600 watts at 12.1 volts, and I'm running about 14, as you can see, so we're running a little hotter there, about 1800 watts by what the book said. I think 14.3 or 4 was 1900 watts, so we're running a little bit below that. But it's got a little fan on it and everything, and it does real good. And I built this little box here. It takes up hardly any space. Got the banana clips on it. Put that back down. I'll show you with the seat up. Locked. Yeah, there's plenty of room in here for all my tools and everything I need. That old box took up a shitload of space. It went up to like here with the end of that seat and come up to the top of it, and couldn't hardly put nothing in here, but now I can put quite a bit and spread out a little bit. So, alright, well, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the sound demo there. Hopefully it might convince you whether or not you, sorry, my truck's dirty, live on a gravel road. Hopefully it might convince you that if you're looking for some small subs at a good price, these are hard to beat, I think, as far as sound quality and price. They're just out of this world, and so good to work with. Them are dual 4 ohm voice coils wired in series down to 1 ohm. Again, on that 1 ohm stable amplifier, Taramps. Does real good in this truck. So I thank you for watching, thank you for your time, and yeah, catch you next time.